preliminary hearing. I've been informed that this will be a preliminary hearing. Mr. Vila, please call your first witness.
State calls Deputy Brady Mangan.
Deputy Mangan, please come forward, raise your right hand, be sworn in, and have a seat right there on the witness stand.
Do you swear that the testimony you're about to provide in this matter today is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
You may begin.
Please state and spell your name for the record.
My name is Brady Mangan. My last name is spelled Mangen.
And how are you currently employed?
I'm currently employed with the Burnett County Sheriff's Office.
Were you employed on that capacity on July 12, 2025?
Yes,
Prior to today's hearing, did you review the criminal complaint in Burnett County case number 25 CF 106 as it relates to Miss Jacqueline Anderson?
I did.
On July 12th, 2025, did you respond to 656 North Nelson Street in Grantsburg?
Yes,
Is that area located in Burnett County?
it is.
Why did you respond to that address?
Myself, along with some other law enforcement agents, responded to that address in attempt to locate a male with active warrants for his arrest.
Did you make contact with anyone at that residence?
I did. I knocked on a detached garage door at that residence and made contact with Miss Anderson as well as another male at the residence.
And how was Miss Anderson identified?
I recognize Miss Anderson from prior contacts.
Could you please identify Miss Anderson by where she is sitting and what she is wearing?
Yes, Miss Anderson's seated at the defense table with a blue sleeveless shirt.
Let the record reflect that Deputy Mangan has identified Miss Anderson.
Did law enforcement speak with the defendant after making initial contact?
Yes.
Who spoke with her?
I don't recall exactly who asked Miss Anderson, myself and Grantsburg Police Officer Tyler, or at the time he was employed with Grantsburg Police Department. One of the two of us asked Miss Anderson if that other male was at the residence or in the garage, and then ultimately asked Miss Anderson if we could look in the garage for that male.
Was anything else discussed with Miss Anderson after searching the home?
After searching the home,
Correct.
so I went into the garage to look for that male that we were there for. In looking for that male, I opened a closet door in the garage and I observed a green glass smoking bong on the floor in plain view.
Did any other law enforcement officers speak with Miss Anderson during this incident?
Yes, Deputy Bailey Mangan did.
And what did he discuss with her?
Throughout the duration of the contact, at some point, Deputy Mangan spoke to Miss Anderson, advised Miss Anderson what was going on. There was another issue at the scene going on with myself and Officer Tyler and another male, the other male that I talked about or mentioned there. During that conversation between Deputy Bailey Mangan and Miss Anderson, Deputy Mangan asked Miss Anderson if he could search her person. She stated he could. During that search, he located a lighter and some loose change in a pocket of hers. Throughout that conversation or contact between Deputy Mangan and Miss Anderson was wearing a necklace with some sort of white, smaller container attached to that necklace. I believe Deputy Mangan asked Miss Anderson what that container was. Miss Anderson started to manipulate that container on her necklace. And then at some point turned her body away from Deputy Mangan. Eventually, she gave that container, that white container connected to the necklace, to Deputy Mangan. And Deputy Mangan found some items in that container.
And what items were found inside that container?
I'm just going to stop and then you can say, I believe this is one of your first prelims here. And I'm just going to have both you and the other Deputy Mangan identify each other as, and I know I'm just trying to make the record far more clear. Like when you're testifying, Deputy Brady Mangan, please say Deputy Bailey Mangan.
Okay.
Okay. Thank
Yep.
you.
So just to recount, what did Deputy Bailey Mangan find inside that white container?
So Deputy Bailey Mangan located a small plastic gem baggie containing a white crystalline substance inside.
Was that substance weighed?
That gem baggie, yes, was weighed.
And what did it weigh?
I believe the gem baggie weighed approximately 8 grams, or approximately 4 grams.
And was the white crystalline substance tested?
It was.
And what did it test
I
for?
tested positive for the presence of methamphetamine.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Questions, Mr. Chapman?
Were you and Deputy Bailey Mangan both?
When meth comes into the picture, everything escalates instantly. This is the kind of evidence that turns a routine search into a full-blown felony case. But here's the real question. Was this discovery lawful, or did it come from a search that's about to get challenged in court?
Nothing wrong, correct?
Correct.
You just knocked on her door and asked, hey, you mind if we look in your garage because we're trying to find a dangerous criminal? And she, out of the goodness of her heart, agreed to cooperate, right?
I don't recall those are the words I used. It was looking for a dangerous criminal. No.
Well, we'll find out exactly what words you used, but is my characterization generally correct?
Sure.
So she let you into her garage and you or the other Mangan, I'm not sure which one, opened a closet door?
I did. Yes.
Did she give you permission to open that closet door?
She gave me permission to look inside of the garage. Yes.
Okay. And inside that garage door, you found a marijuana bong?
I don't know if it was a marijuana bong or not. I know it was a glass smoking bong.
Okay. So you didn't even know if that was illegal?
Through my training experience, those items are typically used to use illegal narcotics.
Okay, but you didn't know that.
At the time,
Did you test it?
I did.
Okay. Did you test it prior to arresting Miss Anderson?
No.
Okay. So you arrested Miss Anderson after she was nice enough to let you look for this guy and, hey, I found a bong. I better arrest this woman. Is that what happened?
Can you restate your question, please?
Did you arrest her for the bong?
For the bong?
The bong, the smoking device that you located in the garage. Did you arrest her for that at that time? It shouldn't be complicated, Deputy.
Well, I'm not quite understanding your question, sir. That's all.
She let you into her garage to look for a fugitive that you were looking for of some sort.
Correct.
You looked in a closet without specifically asking permission and found what you characterized as a glass bong, correct?
Yes.
Did you arrest her for that?
She was arrested for a multitude of things.
Did
So
you
the
arrest her
bong
for
is
that?
included, yes.
Did you arrest her for that prior to searching her necklace?
I don't believe she was under arrest at the time Deputy Bailey Mangan asked for consent to search her person.
Okay, so your characterization is that this entire process was all consensual. Everything up until Deputy Bailey Mangan searched her necklace, that was all with consent. That's your characterization.
Yes.
So when you said that she was manipulating, touching her necklace, and then she turned away, what did Deputy Bailey Mangan do?
According to the criminal complaint, Deputy Bailey Mangan asked what was in the necklace at some point.
She was turning away at that point, right?
According to the criminal complaint, Deputy Bailey Mangan noted that she turned her body away and started manipulating that white container. Yes.
Okay, well, we're going to see exactly what Deputy Bailey Mangan did, but let's go to this other person, this Orville mentioned in the complaint. He tried to leave.
Objection, Your Honor, outside the scope of this hearing.
Sustained.
Was another person detained for trying to leave this consensual encounter?
Yes.
Had that person done anything wrong?
Objection, Your Honor, again, outside the scope of this hearing.
Sustained.
Are you in the habit of arresting people who assist with your investigations?
Objection, Your Honor, argumentative.
Sustained.
Yeah, we'll find out eventually. No further questions.
All right, thank you. Any further direct questions?
No, Your Honor.
You may step down. Thank you.
Thank you.
Based upon the testimony that the court received, at least in the preliminary hearing, the preliminary hearing is just to see if there was probable cause to believe a felony was probably committed. And this is the first step. There are other steps in which your attorney is most likely going to talk to you about those steps. But at this hearing, the evidence goes in light most favorable to the state. And again, it was a felony probably committed in this county and by you. Based upon that testimony, the court will find there is probable cause, at least at this point, and will bind the matter over. Information, Mr. Fila,
Information will be filed, Your Honor, and it will mirror the criminal complaint.
Proceed with arraignment or set for another day.
One moment, Judge. We can do the arraignment today, Judge.
She understands both of those charges and the maximum penalties.
She does.
Formal reading or waive.
We will waive reading of the information and plead not guilty to each count.
Not guilty pleas will be entered on your behalf. You are entitled to a jury trial. You would be entitled to a speedy trial should you request one. I'm going to set this matter for another status down the road. I'm going to guess you want a shorter around status because you're going to probably ask for another date for some other reason.
I'm going to ask for a shorter status, yes. What else happens after that is going to depend on what's in these body cameras, which I really, really want.
Well, how long do you think how long does it usually take to get discovery? I don't know.
For this case, discovery is already uploaded, so it's whenever Attorney Chapman decides to access desk account after paying for discovery.
Your next available time to come back, this is your case?
This is my case, Your Honor.
October 13th at 9, I appear to have you coming here.
You do, Judge.
Okay, so October 13th at 9, that close enough or not too far?
That's fine, Judge.
All right,
I'll have
thank you.
the videos reviewed by then.
We will see you then. Thank you. We are adjourned.